Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you some totally free and uncensored AI tools you definitely need to know about and how they actually work. What I mean by free is there are no annoying paywalls stopping you from creating super realistic images and videos. The first tool is very uncensored and also comes with advanced features I'll be showing later in the video. And the second tool is another powerful AI tool you can use almost unlimitedly to create content and monetize on social platforms. So before we continue, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling me which AI tool impressed you the most. So the first tool we'll be looking at is Perchance AI. This tool has gotten a lot of upgrades lately, and I honestly can't wait to show you guys. First of all, let's go through the interface. As you can see, it has a very simple layout, nothing too complicated. You can easily find the description box, the art style section, and several other useful options. Now let me show you how good this tool performs when it comes to image generation. For the prompt, I went with this, and for the art style, I selected cinematic. You can also choose how many copies you want generated, so I decided to go with 6 images. After that, I clicked generate. As you can see, the results came out looking really amazing. You can also switch the art style to casual photo if you want a more realistic look. After changing it to casual photo, I clicked generate again, and the results looked like actual pictures taken in real life. Next, I reduced the generations down to 3 and went with an advanced point of view selfie style prompt. After entering the prompt, I clicked generate, and these were the results. As you can see, the images came out super realistic. Now, this is the updated version of the website. As you can see, the display looks completely different now. There are more advanced options available, and they look very powerful and useful. Don't forget, this tool is totally free and uncensored, so make sure you use it responsibly. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So the next free AI tool we'll be looking at is Qwen AI. The interface looks very similar to ChatGPT, but in my opinion, it performs much better when it comes to visuals, especially image and video generation. As you can see, it comes with different options like deep research, create image, video creation, Qwen Dev, and more. Now let's start with image creation. For the prompt, I went with this and then clicked generate. In just a few moments, these were my results. As you can see, the image came out looking really amazing. From here, you also have options to convert the image into a video, edit it, download it, or even publish it. I then went ahead and edited the image. For the prompt, I changed the background to a room, clicked generate, and this was the result. It came out looking super clean and impressive. Next, I tried converting the image into a video using this prompt, and after generating, the result came out really good. You can also create videos directly from prompts, just like I did here. I clicked generate, and this was the final result.
Whoa!
As you can see, the video looks very realistic and followed the prompt accurately. You can keep using this tool as much as you want. I'm not completely sure if there's a paywall later on because I haven't generated too much yet, but for now, it seems completely free and almost unlimited. That's all I've got for today's video. If you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment below for more free AI tools, and I'll keep bringing you more totally free, uncensored, and unlimited AI tools.